Chapter 2 is called Al-Baqarah, or the cow. The name refers to an incident when Prophet Moses and the children of Israel had a row. With a 286 verse span, it is the longest surah in the Quran. It contains a wide array of themes, so let us dive in and examine some of its overarching schemes. It begins with an unequivocal declaration that this Quran is God's final revelation, a guidance for all who seek piety, who believe in the unseen reality. They establish prayer and charity, and believe in previous scriptures sent for clarity. As for an afterlife lasting eternity, yes, in this they have certainty. But for some, it's the same if you warn them or warn them not. They will consider this message a plot. And then there are others who feign belief, seeking only to deceive. Their example is like the one who kindled the fire, only to have it expire. Deaf, dumb and blind, destined to decline. Amidst the storm they wander, as lightning tears darkness asunder. And when they hear the thunder, they stick their fingers in their ears and blunder. Robbed of sight and sound, lost, never to be found. This is the first parable of the Quran, and it captures the folly of man.